Good morning students. Students, today I am going to explain you about the GK class 8 topic page number 45, that is homophones and homonyms. First of all, let us discuss what is homophones. Homophones are words which differ in meaning but are spelled and pronounced the same way. Homophones are same pronunciation but different meaning or spelling are there. Same pronunciation but different meaning or spelling are there. So let us take the example. First example is brake. So brake means when we apply the brake on the vehicle, that is to stop. That means stop by using a brake. That is called as brake. Next example, we are having a break like our lunch time. Lunch break we are having. That is free time. That is free time to enjoy the things which the students are enjoying in the school, in the break time, in the lunch time. Next we are having a feet. So feet means this is the plural of foot, our foot, that is feet. So same way feet. Next feet is we are having achievement. That means we have to achieve something in the school, from the school medal we have achieved, that is achieved. That means feet and another feet. Both words are same, FEET feet, and another is also FEET feet, but first feet means plural of foot and next feet is achievement. So these are the homonyms. So next one is homophones. These are the homophones. Next one is male. So male, one male is the gender of gender. So this male is the opposite of female. So next one we are having a male, that is the letter, that is the letter Gmail. So we are using letters in Gmails. So these are the Gmails. Next we are having a pain, like we are having a back pain or headache we are having. So that is ache. This PAIN is a pain. Next pain we are having a piece of glass in a window. We are using the glass in a window, that is a window pane. So piece of glass, that is also pain. So PAIN, pain means ache, PANE means piece of glass in a window. Next topic we are having are homonyms. So homonyms, first of all, what are homonyms? Homonyms are the different meaning but spelled and pronounced the same way. They are pronouncing same way. They are spelling having a same spelling but meanings are differ. So let us take the example. First one is beer. It is a one kind of animal. So it is a noun. So it is a one kind of animal. This is beer. Next, bear. Bear means to carry the bag, to carry the things at the back, or that is called as beer or bear. So next we are having a fast, like come fast, quick, come fast. So that is fast means running fast, quick. Then fast we are having that like the ladies are doing on the Karwa Chauth. They are not eating anything on the whole day, that is not eating the drinking water also, and at the evening time they used to do whole day they used to do the fast, not to abstain from food. They are not eating any food for the whole day, that is to abstain from the food, that is called as fast. Next we are having the same example we can take as a date. That date means to determine the day. So October, like October 2020, what is the day today? Today is 14, that is a Wednesday. So we are taking that is a called as date to determine the day. Next, date, it is a noun, so it is a kind of fruit. We are having a fruit. So this is fruit, that is a date palm we are having. This is a date palm. So that is the date. So next topic, students, we are having a French, Italian and Spanish words. So in Spanish word, that meanings are same, but we can pronounce in a different way. Like in English, we can say good morning, but in French we can say bonjour, and in Italian we can say buon giorno, and in Spanish we can say buenos dias. So same way good evening we can say bonsoir. So in Italian they are saying buonasera, buonasera. Then in Spanish they are saying buenas tardes, buenas tardes. And in English, let us take the example of one more. That is English. They are saying hello. Then in French they are saying bonjour, same as good morning. Then in Italian they are saying salve, and in Spanish they are saying hola, hola. So these are the words. So students, in these words you have to, other rest of the things you have to write on your books also. So and try to learn. Next topic we are having grammar part. So grammar is a set of rules that explain how two words are used in language. So it has a, first of, let us take the example of active to passive voice. So there is a active to passive voice, rules are there, subject plus verb plus object. Then object become the subject and the subject become the object. Like let us take the example, I have done this work, I have done this work. So the object become the subject. This work has been done by me. That is the subject become object and object become subject. So next rest, close the tap, let the tap be closed. So next, passive to active voice, we have to convert the passive to active voice. Now let us take first example, he had been hit by a car. A car had hit him is the answer. The meaning is, that means the object plus is am are is the helping word plus third form we have to use. So like this we have to solve the rest of the examples also. So next topic we are having a space traveler. Students, page number 48 we don't have in this don't have in this term. So page number 49, that is a space traveler. What are the space traveler? Space travel is a type of travel in which the passenger enters space, the region outside the Earth's atmosphere. People began traveling to space in 1961 in tiny space craft called capsule. Under this word capsule, because sometimes they may ask you by the blanks also, so they can ask the blanks as a blanks also. So first travel we are having traveler we are having a Sunita Williams. Who is Sunita Williams? Sunita Williams is the longest single flight by a woman. It is longest single flight by a woman. So this is a Sunita Williams. Next we are having a Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla, who is she? She was the first Indian born woman in space. Next we are having a John Glenn. So John Glenn was the oldest age person during space flight. So these terms, there are, you have to match this all with that one. They can ask as a question, name also, one word also they can ask, name the first woman tourist in space, that is Anusha Ansari. Name the first private space flight, that is Space One ship. Like that you have to prepare the topic. Next we are having a students, the last topic we are having a cyber terms. Cyber terms. What is cyber? Cyber is a prefix that is used for growing number of terms to describe new things that are being made possible by the spread of computer. So some are having cyberphobia, is an irrational fear of computers. So first we are having a cyber, that is malware. What is malware? It is a software intended to damage a computer network or to take partial control over its operation, that is called as malware. Next we are having a cyber surveillance. Cyberviolence is the monitoring the computer activity for employees. Those are that is called as a term is called as a cyber violence. Next we are having a cyber jockey. So cyber jockey is work online, that is online chat room and internet discussion forums, that is called as cyber jockey. So students, try to read all these terms and solve the exercise and try to note down on this exercise on your copy. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.